Okay, let's go.
It's Sunday afternoon. I'm getting ready to go try this new Korean fried chicken spot that our friends told us about. What's cool about it is it's Mexican fusion. Sunday, no bra today. That looks really crispy.
Can you hear it? Oh.
He just molested the chicken breast.
Mine, yours haven't come yet. Oh.
You like breast?
Yeah.
What?
You know that?
No.
I don't eat the breast.
Emotional, damn it!
I need to stop.
The MSG, I like it already.
What's MSG?
Look.
Are you sure
See?
that's MSG?
Yes, I like it. You can see the MSG.
You got the umami. Umami.
All right, so I grabbed the thigh.
Okay, I'll just eat
She got breast. You got a drumstick.
Two thumbs up. This is good for me. Not too salty, it's just like right. For my taste, but this is on point.
The 10-piece fried wings.
Look at that rib, that tastes so juicy. Look at that rib, that tastes so juicy.
Good size wings too, yeah.
For $18 it will be to be pleasing. For
Breast wings.
Oh man, it is.
Yeah.
That's really good for the breast to be juicy.
Yeah, that's good.
I wanted to try the beans.
Sorry.
Thumbs down. We tried to get the mochi nut, but they were out. Mochi nut donut.
No, owner's Korean. We met him, talked to him, he doesn't want to be on camera. But opening up in a predominantly Mexican they did, so sides are beans, ears,
Oh, there was jalapenos.
jalapenos.
Oh, what? Yeah, definitely. The hot feeling. Well, there's
My friend.
Station is on your right. Jack's Fish House and Oyster Bar.
So this is to go. Let's see. Noodles are broken up because they hook it there. But if anything, next time we just use our own noodles.
We got the extra spicy or just spicy? Extra spicy. It's really spicy, but it's good.